What's up, guys? Y'all heard that right. The Eclipse finally got a new ECU. We got the megasquirt installed and ready to go. I was going to do an install on that, like I said before in my V-Rod video, that because I'm kind of crappy with wiring, I'm not going to do that. I'll just answer any questions you might have. So it's at least here at run. Get in here real quick. Won't hook my laptop back up. And I don't have the RPM gauge hooked up. Gonna let the air purge out. Cams are kind of low being I don't have the idle air control valve hooked up. Get it, and it's rich as fuck. But she runs. Give her a little bit more. She's just not happy. There we go. Smooth out a little bit for a second. But there you have it. We're having some issues because the AFR gauge we got is defective. And then we didn't do the video sooner because we got a bad map from megasquirt. So I hooked in a GM3 bar, as well as issues with the crank sensor not picking up. But we are getting somewhere. It runs just a little bit further. And then we also got some GSX wheels. It'll look so much better than the RS wheels. Got some 245s on it. And we also have coilovers to install, as well as a Venom intake, which you guys might not have heard of. They were big way back when. I was lucky enough to pick one up for a decent price. So I got bigger injectors, 60 mil throttle body, Venom intake, better fuel rail, or an OBXR fuel rail. So here soon, she's gonna be a ripper. So stay tuned for a little bit more content. Thanks for popping in.